when you have you know what agitato means?
Going forward?
Yes and no. You could be agitated and not go forward. I think it is going forward, but it must just be like this.
짜증나는 느낌? 네.
It's a nervous moment. You've arrived at this combination. You're not calm yet. You've just yelled a lot, so you're still calming down, right? And then when you come back, notice what the marking is? What does it say under that?
거기에 뭐라고 써있어? 거기.
Tranquillo. Right? So you've calmed down. The orchestra becomes agitated and you're like, no, I was wrong. It's okay, we can calm down. But there has to be a contrast. Agitato must be agitated, tranquillo must be calm.
반 갈라져 있어요.
Can you play from... It's very like this. That's not agitated. Agitated until the orchestra. And the orchestra takes it from you at forte. And they don't know what to do. They will keep repeating things. What do we do with all this excitement? And you go... Do you understand? You are the leader. You change the orchestra's mood. Yes? So, faster, not necessarily, but even if he did not write agitato, you should look always at the piano part, at the orchestra score. Here, the orchestra has pa, 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 pa. It's not calm, it's not bom, 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 right? It creates this feeling, even if he forgot to write agitato. Okay? Do you know what happens when you are playing? Thank you. What happens? You are accompaniment. Yes? So let's go from there. No, you have to interrupt the orchestra. At the same dynamic, and I think the piano belongs 2 beats later. When you start, we can't hear you. Yeah? Because if you can't hear you when I am playing, one of me, can you imagine what will happen when 40 people are playing behind you? Again, we have a harmonic change underneath the solo. The orchestra does something, so it's not just the same sol diez. Very different sol diez. Before it was just simple mi major. Now, we're going somewhere, we don't know where yet. And now you and the orchestra start asking each other, what are we going to do with this? You're seeing the same question in different words over and over. And now the solo finds a way out. Unfortunately, that way out is sad. But maybe something. We've arrived maybe in B major, but maybe not. Yeah? When you play the same thing, the same notes, ask yourself the question, how is the second time different from the first? Bum, ba ba da dee dee, ba da dum. You have that too many times to play the same one.